Wait, before you give up on your online job hunt, you need to see this first. So today we'll be covering 5 easy non-tech online jobs for people over 50. A lot of older workers assume they've been aged out of the AI workforce. But the digital world has actually gotten simpler. You don't need a degree, just a stable internet connection and your natural skills. Let's look at the first one. This is the virtual intake and scheduling specialist. Now, many businesses in the healthcare or legal firms are looking for this role. You simply gather their basic information like their name, their address, their phone number, and you enter it into their system. You'll also set their appointments or meetings on the calendar and coordinate it with the boss. The requirements here is good English communication skills and a patient professional tone. The estimated salary for this job ranges from $700 to $1,200 per month, depending on your experience and, of course, the client that you're gonna have. The global rate for this is higher. So where can you apply? You can go to Emapta PH, Support Ninja, or you can search remote intake specialist in Zip Recruiter. Okay, so number 2 on our list is the data encoder or researcher. This is the ultimate beginner job. So in this job, companies will give you lists like business cards or old PDF files, and you simply type that information into a neat spreadsheet. So it's very quiet, steady, and straightforward. You have to have basic typing skills and attention to details. If you have a keyboard and you can use it, you can definitely do this. This job has a steady local rate of around 15,000 pesos to 25,000 pesos per month. But if you are a global worker, for example, you're in the US, UK, or Australia, it can go higher to around $16 to $22 per hour. Now guys, I'm gonna be honest with you, these roles are very rare and they get snatched up pretty fast. So where can you apply for these roles? Here in the Philippines, you can go to Virtual Staff PH or Job Street PH. Just search data encoder or data specialist or data collection specialist. So those are the keywords. Make sure you include the word work from home. If you are in Australia or New Zealand, you can go to Seek. Or for global viewers, especially in the US or UK, you can go to Indeed. Just use the keywords that I mentioned earlier. Okay, so number 3 job is a customer service representative or a chat support representative. Have you guys ever used a website and then a chat box pops up to help you? So that's gonna be your job here. So you're gonna be answering common questions using a script or a template that has been provided by the company. There are a lot of customer service representative positions available for work from home where you have to answer phone calls. The dark side or the downside to it, I guess, would be there's some angry customers that you have to deal with. But if you can handle that, then this could be the job for you. Now, for this job, the only requirements is patience and empathy. Now, for my Philippine viewers, the salary is usually around $800 to $1,500 per month. If you're based globally, especially in the US, UK, or Australia, the rates can go up to $20 to $30 per hour. So where can we apply? For us here in the Philippines, we can go to Magic PH. This is the link. And then you can also search it in Google Jobs or Indeed or Job Street. They have a lot of work from home jobs now. For global or Western users, you guys can visit 4dayweek.io. You just need to search customer support. And of course, you can also visit the usual job boards in LinkedIn, Indeed, and the Google Job tab. Quick check-in, guys. Comment down below where you're watching me from so I'll know who's ready to earn. Okay, so number 4 on our job list is being a transcriptionist. So this has been covered widely in our channel where you have to convert audio into text. And for this role, you just have to listen to recorded audio like, doctor's notes, legal meeting, video interview, and type out exactly what is being said. So it's a very straight line job. You listen, you type, you get paid. No complicated tech, just good pair of headphones and a steady typing hand. So guys, for this one, a lot has been already replaced by AI, but you don't have to worry. a lot of companies still prefer human to transcribe the recordings for them. You really need good hearing for this and a quiet room. And of course, you need to have a solid grasp of the English grammar. So the salaries here for both Philippines and global users are around $15 to $30 per hour. And guys, again, warning, these roles have a very fast turnaround rate, so you really have to look out for job openings. So for Filipinos, you guys can go to gotranscript.com. But fair warning, they have a very strict grammar test before you can start. And then you can also go to careers.sigma.ai. You just select the Philippines as a location. And then another one for my global users would be in Lionbridge. So Lionbridge have closed their Philippine market, but it's still open to global users. Just search transcribers. Okay, and now on to our last and fifth jobs for people over 50. You guys can apply as a community moderator. So right now, there's a lot of online communities. We have Reddit threads, we have Facebook groups, right? We have Instagram threads. Is it Instagram? But yeah, threads. Or we also have Twitter, right? Your job will be to moderate the chat thread on these platforms. So you have to make sure that people are following the rules. You also have to delete spam and you have to welcome new members. So it's exactly like being a respected leader in your local community, but it's online. So for this role, you have to have a good judgment, but you also need to be firm and strict with the policies just to make sure that everyone is being polite and aligned. So for Philippine community moderators, salary is usually from $500 to $1,000 per month. But for global workers, it usually starts around $25 and above. Now, where can we apply? There are openings that I'm seeing in Online Jobs PH. And then for global, you can go to modsquad.com. Now, the last one is the Trevor Project. This is a recent opening that I saw, but it's only available, guys, for global users. So if you're outside the Philippines, you can try this website. Just look for Trevor Space Moderator. For all of these jobs that I mentioned, you'll need a laptop. So you cannot do it on just mobile. You really need a laptop and a stable internet connection. So basically, a basic office setup is needed. Now, I know a lot of you guys are worried that AI could already be taking over these jobs. But guys, don't let that scare you. The digital world in 2026 is actually getting simpler for all of us. So AI doesn't really replace jobs. You just have to adapt to being able to use AI. I use AI primarily in most of all the tasks that I do. But for me, it's being used as a tool and not a replacement. So I'm still the one in control and decides everything that happens with my tasks. Now guys, if you're ready to start with these jobs, just pick one and then submit your application today. And again guys, keep in mind the specific openings change quickly. That's just how it is. It's a bit fast. We work in a very fast turnover environment. So you really want to check these websites often. I hope this video has helped you today. My name is Mimi and here in this channel, we share work from home opportunities and side hustles. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. Like this video if it helped you and share with a friend who's looking for a sign to start over. Happy job hunting guys and good luck. Bye!